The world of art has always been driven by human creativity, imagination, and expression. However, with the advent of artificial intelligence, AI, a new frontier has emerged where technology and art intersect. AI in art is transforming the creative landscape, challenging traditional notions of artistic creation and opening up new possibilities for artistic expression. In this comprehensive essay, we will embark on a captivating journey into the realm of AI in art, exploring its applications, impact, and the intriguing relationship between human artists and intelligent machines. Join us as we delve into the intricate fusion of creativity and technology in the world of AI art. AI algorithms are now capable of creating original artwork. Through deep learning and generative models, AI systems can analyze vast datasets of existing artwork and generate new pieces with unique styles and compositions. AI-generated art challenges the boundaries of creativity, pushing the limits of what is traditionally considered human artistry. AI enables style transfer, where artistic styles from one image are applied to another. This technique allows artists to experiment with different artistic styles, blending and transforming existing artwork into new and exciting forms. AI also augments the creative process by providing tools that assist artists in generating new ideas, exploring compositions, and enhancing their artistic vision. AI technologies can assist artists in various ways, acting as creative collaborators or tools for inspiration. AI algorithms can generate suggestions, provide feedback, and help artists overcome creative blocks. This collaborative relationship between human artists and AI systems fosters innovative approaches to artistic creation, encouraging experimentation and pushing artistic boundaries. AI algorithms can transform complex datasets into visually appealing representations. Data visualization techniques powered by AI enable artists to create stunning visualizations of scientific data, social trends, or environmental patterns. Digital art forms, such as interactive installations and virtual reality experiences, merge AI with artistic expression, immersing viewers in unique and engaging artistic narratives. AI contributes to art conservation and restoration by analyzing digital scans, historical records, and expert knowledge. AI algorithms can assist in identifying damaged areas, suggesting restoration techniques, and preserving artworks for future generations. The combination of AI and traditional conservation practices enhances the accuracy and efficiency of restoration processes. The integration of AI in art raises important ethical and philosophical questions. The concept of authorship and authenticity becomes blurred when AI systems generate art. Additionally, concerns arise regarding the biases present in AI algorithms and the impact on cultural diversity and representation. Ethical frameworks and critical discussions are essential to navigate these complexities and ensure responsible and inclusive use of AI in art. The rise of AI in art challenges our understanding of artistic creativity. AI systems can generate artwork that evokes emotions, surprises, and provokes contemplation. The collaboration between human artists and AI systems pushes the boundaries of artistic expression and invites us to rethink the role of technology in the creative process. AI in art represents a groundbreaking fusion of creativity and technology. From AI-generated art to style transfer, artistic assistance, and art conservation, AI is reshaping the artistic landscape and expanding the possibilities of artistic expression. The integration of AI in art invites us to reflect on the nature of creativity, authorship, and the evolving relationship between human artists and intelligent machines. Join us on this captivating journey into the world of AI in art as we explore its applications, impact, and the transformative potential it holds for the future of artistic expression. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content on the intersection of AI and art.